Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma website live. First, you'll need to prepare your Figma design for export. This involves organizing your layers and components efficiently. Then, we'll discuss the various methods to convert your design into functional web code. Finally, I'll guide you through the process of deploying your website to a live server, making it accessible to everyone online. Exporting your Figma assets correctly is vital for a smooth transition. You can manually export images and SVGs, but for code, consider using a reliable plugin. These tools can generate clean HTML and CSS directly from your design, saving you significant time. Always double-check that all your elements, like buttons and text, are properly exported and styled. Once you have your web files, the next step is choosing a hosting platform. Many excellent options exist, from free services like Netlify and Versal, perfect for static sites, to more robust paid providers. Consider your project's needs, such as custom domain support or database integration. Uploading your files is usually straightforward, often involving a simple drag-and-drop interface or a command line tool. With your files uploaded, it's time to go live. If you have a custom domain, link it to your hosting provider. This usually involves updating DNS settings. After deployment, rigorously test your website across various browsers and devices to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Pay attention to responsiveness and loading speeds. Congratulations, your Figma design is now a live website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.